Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start activity 4.3 of science workbook of chapter 4, which is measuring the volume and mass and volume of solids. So we are going to start from activity 4.3. How do we find its volume? हम उसका वॉल्यूम कैसे ढूंढेंगे? Aim to find the volume of a bunch of keys. What you need: a displacement can, a wooden stand, a bunch of keys, a measuring cylinder. First, set up the apparatus as shown below, like this. Second, find the displacement can with water until some water flows out from the spout. Collect this water in a beaker and discard it, like this. What is the purpose of filling the can until water flows out? To ensure that the volume of the water in the can is at the level of spout. Third, position a measuring cylinder below the spout, like this. Fourth, carefully lower the bunch of keys into the displacement can. Collect the water that flows out in the measuring cylinder. Sixth, what is the volume of the bunch of keys? Volume of bunch of keys is equals to volume of water. Seventh, fill in the blanks. We cannot determine the volume of a bunch of keys by simply measuring and calculating its volume. This is because it is an irregular object. We can use a displacement can to help us determine the volume of an irregular object. 8. Can you suggest 2 improvements that can be made to this activity so that you can get a more accurate reading for the bunch of keys? Average volume to be found from 5 measurements. Perform the experiment very carefully.